Hi everyone, welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. We have with us Dr. Rafael Sanchez. He is the founder and the medical director for Prestige Primary Care right here on Hilton Head Island. He opened the clinic in 2023, and it's a really interesting concept. It's both primary care, but also it's concierge too, and
Yeah,
you make
correct.
home visits and all kinds of things. Tell us a little bit about your background.
Okay, well, thank you for having me on the show. I'm really honored to be here. So I'm Dr. Sanchez. I graduated from Duke University School of Medicine, and I did 4 years of residency in internal medicine and in pediatrics. And after that, I work in multiple healthcare settings, like the hospital, primary care. I see patients in the ER. I meet patients in the ICU. I also work in urgent care, hospice, telehealth. I see patients in the skilled nursing facility, nursing home. So, you know, those wide ranges settings kind of give me a little better understanding how the healthcare system works.
And so because of that, you wanted to have something unique and special with this clinic, right, Dr. Sanchez?
Yeah, I wanted to open a practice where, you know, the patient have quick access to my clinic. You know, a lot of clinics here, it takes sometimes weeks to months to get an appointment. In my clinics, only take a couple of days or a week to get in. I also wanted to sort of focus on maybe a patient-centered approach where, you know, every time I see a patient, I like to think, you know, what is the best medical care I can offer them.
And so what are some of the conditions that you're seeing today? I'm looking at my notes, and a lot of high blood pressure, diabetes, COPD,
Yeah.
people that aren't really taking care of themselves or have chronic disease?
Yeah, I take care of a wide range of medical conditions, from your common illness like common colds to more complex medical chronic conditions like hypertension, asthma, COPD. I see patients at the skilled nursing facility, and I treat them for like UTIs, falls. But what I'm really interested about, it's about complex medical conditions. You know, I like autoimmune disorders, rheumatological disorders,
Yes.
respiratory illness, complex cardiac conditions. I work in a lot of tertiary centers, so I feel really comfortable treating those patients. So I'm really, I like those conditions. Yeah.
All right, and you also do make house visits, home visits, if you are on the concierge side, correct?
Yeah. So if you're a concierge service, you know, I do see patients at home. I also like to see patients in an independent living facility. You know, sometimes they can't make it to the clinic.
Right.
You know, sometimes it's sort of my way to kind of bridge the gap between, you know, patients in coming into the office. So I think that's important.
Right, and you have looks like the weight loss piece as well that you treat. So or not treat, but if folks are interested in weight loss, you can counsel them and provide the medications for that?
Yeah. For patients that want to reach their personal weight loss, I offer a medical supervised clinic, you know, where you have a doctor following you. You know, I do labs before they come in. You know, I prescribe the medications. You know, the patients have access to me. Every 2 weeks, I see them in the office, or we talk on the phone or text. You know, that way they can sort of lose their weight safely. And I also try to, you know, prevent complications like constipations, acid reflux, and a lot of time patients, you know, go to the internet and buy these medications, and there's nobody really there to supervise them or help them. So, you know, I offer that service to them.
Well, Dr. Sanchez, it's called Prestige Primary Care. You have a wealth of experience, a broad breadth of experience, and so for patients, that's, you know, a good thing, wonderful thing.
Yeah.
So you are located in the medical pavilion, and so if you want to check it out, just give them a call, right? Thank you, Dr. Sanchez, for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for having me. Yeah.